A lot of the times you will need to use some commands that will enable you to get the distances or the intervals equal. For example, the sofa that had been created here, the sofa block, I used a new command that lives in the draw panel that will enable you to make those three seating exactly the same. So you can go to draw, okay, and from draw, you're going to find that you have two small icons here. One of them is measure, the other one is divide. Now, the one we need is going to actually to be divide, because divide can divide the line into equal segments, provided that you give them to give the command the proper information. So we're going to click here. All right, and I'm going to click on that object that I'm selecting to divide. And after that, you're going to see that you have to enter the number of segments or blocks. So I need to enter the number of segments here. I need 3 segments. That's why I'm going to click and type 3 and enter. And immediately the command is going to finish. Now we don't see actually how we're going to use that, because we cannot see different segments. What will enable us to see different segments, if I go to the object snap here, and then I'm going to right click with the mouse, and I'm going to deselect endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and extension. I'm going to leave perpendicular on, and I'm going to go to node. All right. So node had to be actually activated. Now node here, when node is activated, I'm going to click on the line command, and I'm going to hover over the line. Now, what we see, we need to see this type of icon, which is a circle and an intersection icon inside of it. And from here, once you are here, this is actually the node symbol. So I'm going to click, and then I'm going to drag up, and I'm going to click again, and then I'm going to right click and enter. So I already divided this into one segment. There is another segment that is left here, and I can click on copy, and I'm going to copy this, enter, and then I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to move till I get to the second point on the node point here, and I'm going to right click and enter. So the node here is going to help you identify the when one segment starts and when one segment ends. And this is going to be very beneficial when you create, for example, a drawer unit in your kitchen, and divide them into equal drawer segments.